Where did it go? Is it fucking gone? It's gone. What the fuck? It was parked sideways. Yeah, it's gone now. What the fuck? That was weird.
Yeah, it's just hanging. Oh, there it is. It's right in front of me. Pretty good pack. Fucking good footage. If you can't make video out of this, I don't know. Should be some good shots today. Cameras are probably dirty, don't care. Only got one bolt, 3.7 volts.
That was a good fucking pass for me too.
Yeah.
I didn't do anything too crazy, but it was smooth.
I should be able to get a nice little view out there. Make sure you get it in 4K when you load it. Get some good resolution this time.
Yeah.
That 1080 was hard to even look at.
Oh fuck! It ain't that fucking bad.
It's fucking fancy.
Hard to look
fancy
at.
fucking GoPro fucking 6 and it's got shitty 1080 YouTube footage.
Yeah. It fucking. That was just a quick fucking.
All you had to do is export it and match the source.
Well, I used my DJI footage too.
Oh, okay.
At the beginning of the video when I dove that tower.
Oh, that was
That was with the
720?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's why it was all shady.
Yeah.
Yeah, that wasn't GoPro footage.
No.
Wait, when I saw it, I'm like, what is this? This is not GoPro footage.
No, that was just the.
I think all of it was 720 and then you just exported in 1080.
No. It was all GoPro except the first clip. The last like 2 clips, they were 2.7.
Did you know you can export the 720 goggle into 1080 and it looks pretty good?
Yeah, I just didn't want to fucking bother.